Greetings. My name is AIZWAN JUANIS. Today, me and the two of my classmates that are same age group as me called BEROLIN and MOHAMAD ZHARIF want to talk about the final year project that we made together as a group called Smartcard Sbdu Unlock. And I want to introduce you about our project that we have. And first, we want to aims to address the problem that faced by lecturer and staff of JTMK department. And we also want to talk about how we utilize the modern day technology in this project. And I also want to talk about how we find out the problems of using conventional lock can be solved using the Smartcard Sbdu Unlock. Okay, in this case, many staff in PKS and also the student has complained about the door lock system in JTMK are not secured enough. And in JTMK, there is a lack of biometric system which any intruder can easily break in the JTMK to stealing other stuff. In fact, that PKS has a case like missing keyboard and missing mouse or something like that in the computer component, and I mean the missing, like those things are got stolen by the unknown person. And we also learn to how to utilize, which means we analysis and we do a research about how to invent the technology before we are about to make this project. And by this case in utilization, we also learn to how to make the things work normally and how to make the system more secure than ever. Right now, I want to talk about the problem statement that we have before we started to make this project. Okay, in the first problem, I want to talk about the risk of virus COVID-19 as one of the problem statements. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic is plaguing our world and plaguing and spreading in Sarawak, particularly in Polytechnic itself. In this issue, the chances of contracting the virus from touching stuff such as doorknob is high. So people who touching doorknob will get infected by the COVID-19 virus. Secondly, the problem statement is traditional lock is vulnerable. We do know that conventional lock is vulnerable to be opened by other tools. Tools such as metal string can be used to open a lock using certain method. In the hands of experienced person, such method can be carried out easily. Furthermore, in our problem statement in this project is the key storage handling issue. In this case, there is a problem to determine who will keep office key because the working time of the lecturer is flexible, where the time arrives and return from the office is different for each lecturer. So, with the card that staff PKS will have, you don't need to worry about the key storage handling issue, risk of virus, and also the traditional lock vulnerability problem.
From the problem statements, we formulate several objectives in order to work on this project. Firstly, to utilize RFID technology to ensure secure unlocking the door. Second, to reduce touching the door lock. And third, to keep record of entry done by any authorized person. We will refer to those objectives during the development of our project. This system is designed to allow individuals to use RFID technology, which is a card to provide access to a private room. The card belongs to the user itself, so it can be carried anywhere. This negates the need to obtain a physical key prior to entry. Next, the door lock system will scan individual cards and verify them with stored data. Upon successful verification, authorized individuals is granted entry access. The security is further solidified through the implementation of two-factor authentication feature. For the user record, it is then kept in the database to review by administrator. The admin can keep track on who entered the property by viewing the database remotely. Such features allow admin to reach out to any user if necessary.
Finding result. This project can make entry into a room or space efficient and secure. In addition, this project will be beneficial especially for JTMK department. This is because rooms such as lecturer office at JTMK department are regularly accessed by staff and lecturers. The impact for our project is the RFID door unlock specifically designed for staff or lecturers who are allowed to access a room such as a lecturer's office at Department of Information Technology and Communication. Secondly, to prevent a person that not a JTMK staff or student to enter the room at will. Conclusion. Smartcard based door unlock may be useful as if it can reduce problems for entering secure room. The whole day of hustle and rush in getting physical key can be forgotten with the use of RFID door unlock system, as it is with a touch of a finger perform unlocking, and as you know, today is still pandemic of COVID-19. This project is recommended for not only JTMK but can also be used for other departments as well. Tada! So this is all for our project, and I hope this project can be used in future of Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak. Assalamualaikum and thank you so much.